Do you think you are ready for the Valero hiring test? Most people fail on their first attempt. Not because it's hard, but because it's tricky. Speed, logic, and accuracy all at once. So here's how you stay ahead and pass. First, let's know what is the Valero hiring assessment test. So the test is a pre-employment screening to evaluate candidates before hiring. It is designed to measure problem-solving ability, mechanical understanding, basic maths, and reasoning skills. So basically, this test is commonly required for positions such as operators, technicians, entry-level refinery workers. Now regarding test structure and format. In order to make it easy to understand and save your time, I have designed a table. Have a look. Now comes the main point, solving strategies. So, to crack the assessment test, you need both speed and smart thinking. So here's the exact step-by-step approach. Step 1. Scan the question fast. That is, don't read word by word, but identify what it's asking. Gear, ratio, pattern, etc. Step 2. Identify the concept. 3 ideas are mentioned. Step 3. Eliminate wrong options. Now remove 2 obviously incorrect answers first, because this boosts your chances instantly. Step 4. Use smart estimation. Now don't solve fully unless needed. Approximate to save time. Step 5. Skip and return. Now if stuck for more than 30 seconds, move on and come back later. Don't aim for perfection, aim for completion. This was all. Thanks for watching.